Hey, Unlimited fam, happy Motivational Monday. Hope everyone is doing great. And I hope you have a great week. Welcome to the fifth of our five-part series on life hacks for your life, right? These five videos are just quick little things that you can do to improve five different areas of your life and hopefully uh, gain something a little more every day in your life. And today we're going to talk about your spiritual aspect. The last four of them were career, health, finance, and social aspects of your life. And so today we're going to talk a little bit about how spiritually you can be a little more connected with yourself. All right, welcome to the video. Okay, so when we say spiritual, we're not just talking about religion, we're talking about connecting with your spirit, right? And one great way to become more connected with yourself and others, but especially with yourself, is to volunteer or do something nice on a weekly basis. So if you're volunteering at a local orphanage or a soup kitchen, being a big brother like I was for years for big brothers and big sisters, whatever it is, giving is really good for the soul. And you may find that you really, really, really enjoy it. And I don't want to talk about myself too much, but throughout my 24 years in the Air Force, I've won numerous awards for volunteering. I've won medals. I have a military outstanding volunteer service medal, two of them, for my volunteerism, and it's extremely important. And not only do you get to connect with yourself and understand yourself a little more, you also get to help someone else. So volunteering is number one, and I'm a huge advocate of it because I've done it for all of my life, and it's just so rewarding. Number two is meditate, and oh my goodness, this is another thing that I do. I try to do it every morning. I'm not consistent as I want to be, but most mornings I get up and one of the first things I do is take 5-10 minutes to just meditate. And I was actually having a conversation about meditation with a friend of mine the other day. And I said, meditating is the only time that you're awake, right? You're conscious and you don't have any input through your eyes and your ears. Think about that. Throughout the day, from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to sleep, there's some sort of verbal or auditory input and input through your eyes. So you're always using your mind, right? Think about that. So when you meditate, when you just close your eyes and not think and just be one with yourself, it is the only time that you get to do that, right? You turn off these senses and you just get to be there. And I'll tell you, it's absolutely great if you have anxiety, if you're a nervous person, if you're if you have a bad temper or you're always angry. Meditation can seriously help you. I meditate because I just enjoy it. I enjoy just shedding everything off. So the second thing is meditate. So try to meditate. There's great videos, and I'll turn you on to some great coaches if you contact me to help you learn how to meditate. Okay? All right, guys. And the third thing is to write things that you're grateful down every day this week, right? Think about the things that you are grateful for, things that you have that you appreciate, things that you've done that you are grateful for in your soul. And this is really important to help you connect with yourself spiritually. Understanding that you've made progress in your life, or you have done things that you've set out to do, you've achieved some of the goals that you've set. Those things are important. So write things down, three things, try to find three things every day for 5 days, and reflect on them and go, wow, okay, I've done some things. There's a lot of people out there that don't feel like they're worthy, don't have the self-confidence that they should. And this is a great tool to not only help you spiritually, but also help your confidence grow. All right, guys, don't forget next week, right? Next week on Wednesday, we have the Zoom session. It's totally free. And we're going to talk about all the 5 pillars of life that we've covered in all 5 of these videos now. And we're going to open up the session for some talking, a little bit of one-on-one. And hopefully people were able to gain some things and better their life through the videos and through the Zoom session on the 22nd. All right, guys, be good. Love you bunches. Peace.